on, guys? So welcome back to another video, and today I don't really know what's going on. It's more of actually just like a straight up real legit 100p like actual vlog, but I got the new wheels. If you've been keeping up with the channel, got the new wheels on the truck, and these lugs right here aren't even the right lugs for my truck. I kind of just sent them on there. Like literally they chewed the threads on it. Like those lugs are junk. Like you won't be able to take these tires off. So got some new lugs here, and I'm off to the tire shop to pick up my old rim. Dude, these tires are like new-ish. I feel like they still have wicked deep treads. Medfield Tire just hooked me up. Gave me these sweet, I ordered these sweet lug nuts. These look sick. So I'm not gonna be doing a ton of recording, but my plan for right now is I wanna get the back end jacked up, tires off both sides, and then I'm gonna be sanding and doing everything that I did kinda on the back of this truck here. All right, well, taking a little break here. Just trying to get the underbody, like all the rusty spots grinded down. Just been pretty much destroying this wire wheel just like I did on the other truck. Just going all in, trying to get rid of make it all smooth, you know. Painting is 95% in the preparation, so I'm trying to take my time. I got both the shocks off here, sanded those down. I painted these a while ago, but we're gonna actually do a good job with it this time. Doing the brake caliper, leaf spring, frame, body. You know, it's getting there. Definitely getting there compared to something like this. I did undercoat this truck when I first got it, just like quickly, but you know, we're going in depth now. I mean, look at that. Looks much nicer. And I'm also doing the edge of this right down here, doing the frame down here. I'm doing everything. It's gonna look mint. Just busting out a new DeWalt wheel, trying the flat style rather than the rounded style. This entire wheel lasted the grinding of the green truck, so this one should be good for under here. And right now it's like 4:40 right now, and my goal is to try and do all this today, so that's why I'm not recording a lot, but it's all right. We'll see what happens. Just put in about let's see, it was about 4 hours straight up. About 4 hours, 2 of grinding and 2 of painting, surprisingly. Just about to wrap things up here, get the shocks back on, a few other things. Sun's starting to set. Finished painting up the shocks, nice regal red. We're doing the calipers and the pads on my limited F-150 here. So far we got the rotors off. It's literally a fucking tornado. Sharknado times 10. Get your studs. Caliper housing mounting. There's caliper and the old pads up here. They're pretty thick. The pads are like not too bad, but things are relatively fucked. Mention it rolls. Go! All right, guys, so I'm fighting the wind here for a second to even talk, but we got all new rotors and pads in the back, rotors, pads, and calipers in the front.